Hi everyone, I am Samya from SS Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am gonna share with you how to make this beautiful tea light candle holder. So let's get started.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.
To make this, I am taking a brown paper, a glass jar and a round cap. Now I am drawing a circle by using this round cap. Now I have cutted according the circle with a scissor. Now I am taking a clear tape and securing the ends like this. Now I am taking a tag and I have punched the top of the tag. Now I am inserting the jute rope through the tag and making a bow with the jute rope. And it's ready. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, so please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below. And please subscribe the channel. It means a lot for us. No more today. Thanks for watching.